My name is Juan Murillo with United Yacht Sales, and I am today in Istanbul, Turkey, at the West Istanbul shipyard for Bilging yachts. Here, they have the capability of producing 3 90-meter super yachts at the same time. In fact, right now they have 2 80-meter super yachts, and there's one of them back there, another one back there. So this super yacht over here is already sold. We just went to tour the super yacht Tatiana, sister ship to these guys. And this guy over here, careful, his name's Vedat. We got one here, another one. It's amazing that they have this production capability. They've got a lot of yachts under construction. Several of them have been sold. And right now, we're gonna see how the magic happens, how they build the super yachts. Let's come on board. So, over 1 million man-hours takes to build one of these 80-meter yachts. And for most, it's a labor of love. We're gonna go out there, we're gonna have a look. A lot of the information is proprietary, but I'm gonna show you the finished product. We're gonna go look at Tatiana. We're in the West Istanbul shipyard and we're gonna board Tatiana, an amazing 80-meter super yacht. Come, let's have a look. So unfortunately, due to COVID last season, the owner was not able to enjoy this amazing piece of machinery. But now we're here to see what he's gonna enjoy next year. This is gonna be fun. Come over and we'll have a look. We're on the owner's deck right now, and this is the owner's private lounge area. Take a look at this. You have a jacuzzi, plenty of sun tanning area all around. You can even have a small meal here or a snack. That's your service. You'll come up to there on demand, completely isolated. And as you can see, nobody is around here. You can have a large party inside the boat. And if you look around, nobody's gonna look at you when you jump in there and do some skinny dipping. So when you're in a yacht like this, you wanna be close to the water. And this yacht has certainly achieved it. You don't even have to go to the back deck to go to the water. Come here, I'm gonna show you this amazing feature. Now this is unique. Let's go. Of course, you gotta have a bar here. As you're coming down here, you've got an indoor pool for those cool days. Skylights where you can see the bottom of the jacuzzi or the upper pool. You have a massage room here that has a huge balcony that opens up where you can jump in the water if you like that kind of stuff, or you can receive a nice massage with an ocean breeze going through. Now, let's go here. We're passing the pool area. That garage back there opens up straight into the deck and the swimming area of the boat. So you can do your laps here in fresh water. You can run out there and take a dip. What do you guys think? All right, so now this is another cool feature that I'm gonna show you. Starboard side of the boat. Let's call this the beach club area. Plenty of seating for relaxing. What do you think of this? Now, you've got a really large balcony here that has windows to the sea. And of course, you can put a table here, have a nice his coffee, and then jump straight into the water. Welcome to the pilot house of Tatiana. Let's take a look in here. You have every instrument that you can imagine and then a little bit more. Emergency backups and then some more backups for the emergency backups. You can probably fly the space shuttle from this place right here, but mostly it's just a fun place to be in. And this will keep the owners and the guests very safe. This is the master cabin of the vessel, of Tatiana. Really, I'm blown away completely. You have no idea. So now, let's go down to the lower decks. So if you have a hyper yacht like Tatiana, of course you gotta have a pool table, but you can't just buy any pool table. You buy a pool table from Porch Design. What else would you do, right? Port side of the vessel, and there's this big door that's very strong and watertight. It's to bring the supplies to the vessel. This is pretty unique. You open this hatch here, there's a tender comes over here, and you immediately go up to the galley and the different storage areas of the boat. And that's how you load her up with groceries and a lot of champagne. Now this small thing here is the motor of the bow thruster, and it's electric. Got to be close to 200 kilowatts. Everything laid out, installed correctly, proper to class. We're in the engine room, and now we're gonna start the engines, see how loud she is. And we're gonna measure the sound down here, and then measure the sound up in the salon. Look at the difference in how well insulated it is. That's the measurement of a great super yacht. It's actually how quiet she is. Let's check it out. It's here while the boat is in operation. It controls every parameter of their systems. Propulsion, electrical generation, etc., etc., etc. It's a quiet room, but it's not as insulated. We're gonna go upstairs and see how quiet she is. Let's go. Guest cabin in the main deck. Beautiful, beautifully appointed. The trick is the engines and the generators are running on the boat, and I can whisper to you and not hear anything else. That's a sign of a serious super yacht. We've got the engines and the generators running, and I'm almost whispering. You can hardly hear me. This is great. Let's walk out. See how she feels. I can't feel anything or hear anything at all. This is quite impressive. Very cool stuff. It's a Gullwing. The Gullwing yacht. Toys, toys, lots of toys. So as you guys can see, this is the forward garage of the boat. It has two wing doors. One goes up from here, one goes up from there. And then you have two tenders that will be launched from here. And if you're risque, you can also jump from here straight into the ocean and swim in the back of the boat. What do you guys think? I'm about to finish the tour of the super yacht Tatiana, the 80-meter Bilging. That is the largest yacht built in Turkish maritime history, built by these guys, and this is it. It's an impressive vessel. Let me tell you, I'm blown away with the quality, understated attitude of this company, but it is certainly an impressive boat.